The simpler your trading system is, it's the better. Most beginner traders have 10 indicators or more on their charts and get confused with conflicting signals. The pros, however, have only a couple of indicators and keep their decision making simple. Fibonacci-Traders, we follow price and use Fibonacci levels and trend lines. Hey there, Tamir from Fibonacci-Traders.com here with another daily market recap. Before we start, please hit the like and subscribe buttons, will be much appreciated. So without further ado, let's hit the charts. SPY on the daily, we can see it's holding above the 384, 385 area. Just by looking slightly left, we can see this area was a very strong resistance. Now it's acting as support. Let's see if bulls can manage to push price back and towards this gap here, and maybe once and for all, once again, towards this trend line over here. This is a very big resistance for the bulls. It goes all the way to December of 2021, January 2022. Let's see if bulls can finally manage, reach and break up and above this trend line. QQQ, we can see that for now the 230, 273, 274 area is resistance. Looking left, it was a very important support and resistance level in the past. So now it's acting as resistance. IWM, bullish day. Now, once again, bulls of the IWM wants to go up to this trend line over here and maybe finally breaking up and above towards the 190. Dow Jones basically moving sideways since middle of December. Nothing much on the Dow Jones. The only positive thing is, two positive things are relative strength to the SPY, Qs and the IWM. And one more thing, it's managing to close up and above and holding above the 335 area. If we just look left, towards November 2022, it was support, then December 2022 resistance, and now once again, for now, it's holding as support. Apple, two consecutive dojis, failing to close above the 131, 130 area. It was, and it still is, a very important level of support and resistance. Two consecutive dojis. Doji is the number one signal in candlestick analysis of an indecision. So we wait for price to decide which way it wants to go. Tesla basically moving sideways since late December between the 125 and the 105. This range needs to break to other side. So we sit on hands and wait on sidelines to see where price will go next. Netflix, the strongest name that I can see lately since July of 2022, uptrend channel. Bulls are strong here. Next level for the upside will be the 334 area, breaking up and above, and we can expect with high probability this trend line will get retested once again. Meta breaking and closing above this trend line, heading towards the 138 area. Looking left, this area should be very strong resistance for the bulls, because June, September, and October, it was, as we can see, a very tough level for the bulls to break up and above until flush down. So eyes on the 138, 139 area. Jets, the strongest ETF that I know. If you know more strong ETFs to the upside, please let me know in the comments below, so I will check them out and include them in the next video. Now, 1914 once again is holding as resistance, but Jets is looking strong. Uptrend, retracement towards the 618.50 retracement areas, now bouncing back this level, and as we can see, the 1920 is a very strong resistance. So let's see continuation towards the 2050, and we have the rest of the levels to watch for the future potential resistance levels. Nvidia bulls are not giving up. We have inside day above the 153. Let's see continuation towards the 168 and maybe going all the way back to this area here. Two trend lines and this major long trend line that started over November 2021. But pay attention on Nvidia. This small gap here will get filled. It's a matter of time, and for the bulls, better sooner than later. Shopify broke above the trend line, now retesting it as support. We might get a slide down towards the 35.30 area before the next leg up, or a bounce toward the 39.40 area and maybe even higher. It all depends on the overall sentiment on the market. We have big news coming up this week, so let's see. Shopify, if we can see basically doji after doji after doji, indecision all around Shopify since beginning of 2023, moving sideways. So wait, even if we are full-time traders, it doesn't mean that we have to trade every day. There are days and even weeks that I, as a full-time trader, I just sit and watch price and wait for my A+ opportunity. It's all about opportunities. And for now, at least on Shopify, it's waiting time. Baba, continuing to the upside. 109 is a very important level of support. Next, we have this gap here at a 120.50. It will get filled. It's a matter of time. And then, once this gap will get filled, I expect some pullback because Baba gave us almost 100% to the upside since October lows. Amazon showing some signs of life, breaking up and above this trend line. Now let's see continuation above the 92 area towards the 97. It's all about following price and using levels and trend lines to manage risk. Another name that I have my eyes on, as we can see, this is a very interesting area for price action to be at. We have a major trend line that goes all the way back to July of 2021, and we have this trend line here that holds the higher lows since June of 2022, and we have this blue line that represents a very strong resistance area at the 26-27 area. And now let's see price breaking up and above this area, and then Fibonacci-Traders will go long. And of course, everything you hear and see on this video and on my channel in general is for educational purposes only. Nothing here is advice for a trade or investment, and the only advice I can give you is do not follow anyone on social media, paid or free services, without doing your own homework, your own preparation. So we will end this video the same way we started. Make your trading plan the simpler, the better. Clean your chart, erase all the indicators, and start following price. Teach yourself how to read price action. And if you find this video helpful, please hit the like and subscribe buttons. And until the next video, stay safe.